This animated looping wallpaper style video is generated with the latest WAN 2.2 on AVRAM in 10 minutes. Sometimes, you don't need fancy prompts to bring your images to life. I used to batch upload images into WAN and add captions using Florence, thinking it helped the animation. But it turns out, it's unnecessary. WAN 2.2 is smart enough to animate your image. Without any prompt at all you have to do is upload your image, leave the prompt blank, and hit generate. The result? A smooth, cinematic wallpaper style animation that feels alive. It's that simple. No prompt, just your image. Let WAN 2.2 do the rest. Here's an example. This workflow is for 8 GB VRAM. Here I use the high and low noise models, Q3, and it comes around 6 GB, which fits perfectly into 8 GB VRAM. I use the likes distill LoRa to reduce it to 4 steps. That way, the generation is faster. The total steps are 8. 4 steps on the high noise sampler, and 4 steps on the low noise sampler. I use the likes distill LoRa to keep it efficient, so the whole thing runs smooth even on 8 GB VRAM.